Is Airwallex profitable? It's a question that's been buzzing around the fintech world. With its sleek platform and global ambitions, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But let's cut through the noise and dive deep into the financial health of this rising star. Airwallex, the Australian fintech unicorn, has certainly made waves in the global payments industry. It's a platform that promises to simplify cross-border transactions for businesses of all sizes. But as impressive as its growth story may seem, the question of profitability is a crucial one. The profitability puzzle. So, is Airwallex profitable? Well, it's not a straightforward answer. Like many other high-growth tech companies, Airwallex has prioritized rapid expansion over immediate profitability. This strategy involves significant investments in technology, infrastructure, and talent acquisition. Key factors influencing profitability. Several factors influence Airwallex's profitability. Revenue streams. Cross-border payments. A significant portion of Airwallex's revenue comes from facilitating cross-border transactions. Currency exchange. The company benefits from currency exchange fees. Banking services. Airwallex offers various banking services, including business accounts and cards, which contribute to its revenue. Cost structure. Technology and infrastructure. Investing in cutting-edge technology and a robust global infrastructure is a major expense. Talent acquisition. Attracting top-tier talent, especially in highly competitive tech hubs, can be costly. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to complex regulations in multiple jurisdictions adds to operational costs. Growth strategy. Market expansion. Airwallex's aggressive expansion strategy requires significant investments in new markets. Product development. Continuous innovation and product development are essential to stay ahead of the competition. While Airwallex has undoubtedly achieved impressive growth, it's crucial to remember that profitability is a complex issue. The company's focus on rapid expansion and significant investments in technology and infrastructure may impact its short-term profitability. However, as Airwallex continues to scale its operations and optimize its cost structure, it has the potential to achieve long-term profitability. Its strong value proposition, coupled with a growing customer base, positions it well to navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities in the global payments market. So, is Airwallex profitable? The answer, for now, lies somewhere between promise and reality. While the company's financial health is a subject of ongoing debate, its potential to reshape the global payments landscape is undeniable. As we continue to monitor its progress, it will be fascinating to see how Airwallex balances growth with profitability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.